Hello students, now our next point is measuring weight. In measurement we have learned about meter, centimeter and kilometer. Now it's time to learn a new unit or new weight, that is kilogram and gram. So many things around us that we use to measure in kilograms and grams. So which are they, that we will see. So the things that are lighter, the objects, lighter objects that are measured in grams. So which are the lighter objects? That is matchbox, pencil box, snacks box, notebook. So lighter objects, so that can we lift it easily. That objects we can measure in grams, or the objects that heavier as compared to this, that are measured in kilogram. So vegetables are in kilogram, sugar kilogram, wheat flour in kilogram, rice in kilogram. So we use the symbol kilogram, kg, and for gram, g we use. So for that, in that our first point is given conversions. So first is converting kilogram into grams. So as we have learned, 1 kilogram is equal to 1000 gram. You have to remember this, 1 kilogram is equal to 1000 gram. So now what we have to convert kilograms into grams. The measurement is given in kilograms and that you have to convert into grams. And for that, to convert the kilograms into grams, multiply the given number by 1000 or write 3 zeros at the end of the number, and we'll see with the help of the example. Example 1, convert 5 kgs into grams. So what we have to do, as 1 kg is equal to 1000 gram, so 5 kg is equal to 5 into 1000. So 5 into 1000 is become 5000 gram, or instead you can write directly a number and add 3 zeros at the end of the number. So 5000 in gram. So G you will use. Now to convert the kilograms and grams into grams, first multiply the given kilograms by 1000 and then add grams. So for this we'll see the example here. Convert 7 kgs 46 gram into grams. So if you see this, 7 is in kg is given and 46 is already in gram is given. So what we will do, we'll convert this kg into gram and then we'll add 46 to that number. So for 7 kg 46 gram, first we'll multiply 7 into 1000 and we'll add 46 to the answer. So 7 into 1000 is become 7000 plus 46. So what is the answer? 7046 gram. This is how we will solve. Now next is converting gram into kilograms. To convert grams into kilograms, we divide the number by 1000. For kilograms into gram, we'll multiply, and from gram into kilogram, we'll divide. So first is given, convert 6000 gram into kilograms, and for that we'll divide 6000 by 1000. So what is our quotient? Last three, as both have 3 zeros at the end, so we'll remove it. So what is the answer? 6 is our quotient and 0 is our remainder. So what is the answer? 6000 gram is equal to 6 kgs, or one shortcut method is given. While converting grams into kilograms, treat the last 3 digits as a gram and the rest of the digits as a kilogram. So last 3 digits we'll consider as a gram and first is a kilogram. So what they ask into kilogram. So what is last 3 is gram. So what is the kilogram? 6 kilogram is our answer. So two methods for example. Convert 5329 gram into kilograms. So method 1 is what? We have to divide a number by 1000. So as 3 zeros are there, so we'll consider last 3 digits as a remainder and remaining digit as our kgs or the quotient. So 5 kilogram 329 grams. Or method 2 is there, that 5329 last 3 digits will consider as a gram and remaining digit will consider as a kilogram. So last 3 digits, that is 329 is in gram and 5 is our kgs. So 5 kgs 329 gram. Now exercise 4.7, convert into grams 5 kgs. So 5 kgs, that means what we have learned, we can multiply the number by 1000, or else 5 multiplied by 1000 is equal to 5000, right? 5000 gram. Or else you can write the number as it is and append 3 zeros to the answer. Now next is 2 kgs 23 grams. So 23 is already in grams, so we need not to convert it. We only convert 2 kgs into grams. So 2 kgs for converting, will multiply 2 multiplied by 1000 and will add 23 into that answer. So what is our answer? 2 into 1000 is 2000 plus 23. So what is the answer? 2023 gram. This is our answer. Now next is 7 kgs 20 gram. So for that we'll multiply the kgs into 1000. So 7 is in kgs, so 7 multiplied by 1000 and add 20 to that answer. So what is the answer? 1000 into 7 is become 7000 plus 20. So 7000 plus 20 is become 7020 gram. Now next is 8 kgs 320 grams. So for that we'll convert kgs into grams. So 8 is in kgs, so 8 multiplied by 1000 and add gram to the answer, that is 320 gram will add to that answer. So what is the answer? 8 into 1000 is become 8000 and add 320 to that answer. So 8000 plus 320 is become 8320 gram. This is how we have to do. I hope you can try last 2 sums. Now question number 2 is given. Convert into kgs into grams. Now in the form of kgs are given and you have to convert into grams. Sorry, in the form of grams are given and you have to separate them in the form of kgs in grams. So first is given 5677 gram. So what is our trick? That for last 3 numbers we'll consider as a gram and remaining number will consider as a kgs. So last 3 digit means 677 gram and remaining is 5. So answer is become 5 kg 677 gram. Now second is 4321. So what is the last 3 digits? So 321. So that is our gram. So 321 is in gram and remaining is what? 4. So 4 is our kgs. So 4 kgs 321 gram. Now next is 2706 gram. In that last 3 is our grams. So 706 is in our grams and 2 is our kgs. So 2 kgs 706 grams. Now next is 1337 gram. So last 3 is our kgs. Sorry, last 3 is our grams. So 337 is on grams and 1 kg. So 1 kg 337 gram. Now next is, I hope you can try last 2 sums.